The AI revolution is here. Learn for free. Artificial intelligence is changing the world. It's no longer science fiction, it's our reality. But here's the good news. You don't need to be a tech genius or have a big budget to learn AI. Countless free resources are available online, ready to unlock your potential in this exciting field. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious, your AI journey can start today for free. It's time to dive in and discover the amazing world of AI. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is already transforming industries and solving complex problems. By learning AI, you're not just gaining valuable skills, you're becoming part of a global movement that's shaping tomorrow. And the best part? You don't need to empty your wallet to join this revolution. Free learning platforms are breaking down barriers and making AI education accessible to everyone. So why wait? Ready to embark on your free AI adventure? Start with these fantastic platforms. Coursera. This popular platform partners with top universities and companies to offer high-quality AI courses. You'll find everything from introductory courses on machine learning to specialized topics like deep learning and natural language processing. While you can pay for certificates, the core course materials are often free. EDX. Similar to Coursera, EDX offers a vast library of free AI courses from prestigious institutions like Harvard and MIT. You can audit courses for free or pay a fee for a verified certificate. EDX is perfect for exploring different AI areas and finding your niche. YouTube. Don't underestimate the power of YouTube. Countless educators and experts share their knowledge through free AI tutorials, lectures, and project walkthroughs. Channels like 3 Blue 1 Brown and 2 Minute Papers offer engaging explanations of complex AI concepts. YouTube is perfect for visual learners and those who prefer a more informal learning style. Starting your AI journey can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Here are some practical tips. Start with the basics. Don't jump into advanced concepts right away. Begin with introductory courses on machine learning or artificial intelligence to build a strong foundation. Focus on understanding the fundamental algorithms and concepts before moving on to more specialized areas. Practice, practice, practice. AI is a hands-on field. The more you practice, the better you'll understand the concepts and tools. Many online platforms offer coding exercises, projects, and assignments. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and experiment. Join online communities. Learning AI is more fun when you're part of a community. Join online forums, Discord groups, or Reddit communities dedicated to AI. Connect with fellow learners, ask questions, share your progress, and learn from others' experiences. Learning AI doesn't mean you have to go it alone. In fact, connecting with others can make your journey more enjoyable and rewarding. Online forums, social media groups, and even local meetups offer fantastic opportunities to engage with fellow AI enthusiasts. By actively participating in these communities, you can ask for help on challenging concepts, get feedback on your projects, and stay updated on the latest AI trends. Sharing your learning journey with others can also help you stay motivated and inspired. Remember, the AI community is vast and welcoming, so don't hesitate to reach out and connect. The world of AI is constantly evolving. New breakthroughs and applications emerge every day, making it a truly dynamic and exciting field to be a part of. As you dive deeper into AI, remember that learning is a continuous process. Embrace the opportunity to expand your knowledge, explore new areas, and stay curious about the possibilities that AI holds. Whether you're building cutting-edge AI systems or simply using AI tools to improve your daily life, remember that you have the power to shape the future of this transformative technology. Never stop learning, never stop exploring, and join us in building a future powered by AI for the benefit of all.